Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to file a dispute on Fundbox. If you notice a charge, repayment, or draw that you believe is incorrect, you can file a dispute directly through Fundbox. Here's how to do it cleanly and efficiently. First, when should you file a dispute? You're free to file a dispute if a draw was initiated without your approval, or if you were charged an incorrect repayment amount. Also, if you see duplicates or unexpected fees. Likewise, if a repayment was pulled from the wrong account, or if an unauthorized user accessed your Fundbox line. Do not use the dispute process for general inquiries. You can contact support for non-transaction related concerns. Now, here's a step-by-step guide on filing a dispute. The first option is through the Fundbox dashboard. Log into your account and then go to Activity or Payment section. There you're going to find the specific transaction that you want to dispute. Click Report a Problem or Dispute this transaction. Then you're going to need to fill in the form with a clear explanation of the issue, the reason for your dispute, and provide any supporting documentations, for example, screenshots or bank statements. Now, you may receive a follow-up within 1 to 2 business days. The second option is to contact support directly. If there's no in-app dispute options, then go to email support@fundbox.com, and then you're going to include your account's email and business name, likewise the date and amount of the transactions, as well as a detailed explanation of what's wrong. You also may be required to attach any relevant documentations. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.